Hey, what's going on, world? Today me and Kane are down here in McCreary County hiking out to another old favorite waterfall. Right now we're down at the McCreary Bridge day use area. That's the McCreary Bridge back there in the background. We parked at the little parking area down below past the bridge. Today we're going to be taking the Sheltoe Trace out to the Lick Creek Trail, taking it out to Princess Falls. Had a little bit of rain, still not a whole lot, so I'm not expecting much flow out here at the falls. We'll pass Lynn Falls on our way in. That'll give us a little bit of idea of flow at Princess Falls, and then depending on flow at Princess Falls, we might just hike back out from there. But if flow's pretty good, we might go on out Lick Creek Trail and hike out to Lick Creek Falls, but we'll just have to see what flow's like. So let's head on out here, go check out the flow. Yeah, so the first part of today's hike, starting out on the Sheltoe Trace, started out down here in the Big South Fork. But once we go up here and cut off on the Lick Creek Trail, we'll be heading up into the Daniel Boone National Forest. Alright, right here's where we're going to cut off. Go check out Lynn Falls. Don't really hear much. I don't see much now either. Not hardly any flow on the falls. And right here there used to be a marker that said Lynn Falls. Somebody's ripped that off. Barely any flow on the falls back here. Not a good sign for today. I've been wanting to chase waterfalls so bad, but every time we get a little bit of rain, I'm hoping everything's flowing again. Get out here and still just barely a trickle. But I'm not gonna give up hope. We're at least gonna go continue hike out to Princess Falls, at least check it out. Alright, so right here's another bad sign for flow out here at Princess Falls. Right here we're looking down on a pretty dry Lick Creek Falls. Even the Cumberland River out here looks pretty dry itself. But still, we're going to continue out here, go check out the flow, hope for the best. Probably won't be much, but oh well, I guess. Alright, so right here we're coming up on the trail junction of the Sheltoe Trace and Lick Creek Trail. Lick Creek Trail is trail 631, going off that way, up along the creek. And then the Sheltoe Trace continues off to the left here, heading north. We're gonna go down here. There's a footbridge right here crossing Lick Creek. Not much flow at all on the creek down here. So won't be much flow up at the falls, but like I said, we're still gonna go out here and check it out anyway. Got a peaceful little cascade right there though. Pretty nice. Here's Kane on the footbridge. Sheltoe continues on out that way. But for today, to go out to Princess Falls, we're gonna come back up here, cut off on the Lick Creek Trail, take it up to the falls, go check out the flow, hang out there for a bit. Alright, so here we are down at Princess Falls. Like I expected, not much flow at all down here. Usually there's a full veil coming across that ledge right there. But it's been so dry since early spring. We haven't had much rain. So throughout the summer, fall, everything's just kind of running dry. Got a little bit of rain. I was hoping it'd bring some life back down here, but it's just not the case. We're gonna need a lot more rain than that to get everything flowing again. But still peaceful. So me and Kane are gonna relax here just a little bit. Let him get some food and water. I'm gonna have me a snack too. Just sit here and relax. Alright, so after hanging out down here for just a minute, checking out some of the different angles of the falls here, what little bit of flow there is on the falls, me and Kane are just going to hike back out to the trailhead, hit some other spots down here in McCreary County. I got a couple arches, new to me arches I've never been to down this way. I think we'll go check out, and we might check out Overlook, maybe another arch after that we've been to before. Alright, so on our hike out, we made a little stop down here along the Cumberland River. The river's really low. There's a couple of spots through here where we dropped down at that you could easily walk across the river to the other side. Definitely need some rain, but still a beautiful day out here though. Nice blue skies. Got some sunshine back here, warming us up a little bit. Started out pretty cold this morning, right around freezing, maybe a little below freezing. Quickly warming up out here with that sun out. Still, I don't think it's supposed to get out of the 30s today, but with that sun, us layered up out here, staying pretty warm. Keep it moving. Kane's back there exploring on that side over there. Just wanted to come down here, stop along the river for a minute. Alright, so me and Kane are back here where we parked at the McCreary day use area. Like I said, the bridge is right back there. We drove down underneath the bridge, parked down here in this bottom lot. From here we're gonna load up, go check out two new to me arches. Alright, so me and Kane are making the road walk out the closed section of Forest Service Road 6061. We're going to be checking out a couple of arches off the road out here. First arch we're going to come to and check out is Skull Cave Arch. And then we're going to make our way over to Panther Cliff Arch. Both are new to me arches, so I'm excited to go out here and check them out. Alright, so now it's time to drop off the road, head off trail. Alright, Alright, so here we are down in what I guess is called Skull Cave Arch. We're in the front opening, but it goes on back through here. You can see some daylight back that way. Ground's a little soft through here though. Should have kept the muck boots on for this part. Pretty cool. Come through here. Got that opening back that way. Whew. Ground getting soft again. Pretty cool back in here. There's old cane. Here we are coming out at the other opening. Go over here and look back through here. If there was supposed to be an arch down here, I have not seen it yet. I don't know if the little cave here counts as an arch. I'm not sure. I'll have to check about that when I get home, but pretty cool spot either way. Here's the opposite opening. Pretty cool. Skull Cave Arch. Alright, so here we are at the opposite ending of the Skull Cave Arch. Back here's the kind of crack opening. See just a little bit of light at the other end back through there. We're gonna walk back through here. Go to the other end we come in on. See if we can't see something that looks like an arch back that way. I'm not seeing nothing. Like I said, when I get home, I'll try to see if the whole thing is considered an arch. But cool spot nonetheless. Just kind of looking around for tracks in the dirt back here. No luck finding anything yet. Pretty cool spot. Glad we come out here and check this one off. It's a little tricky finding it. I thought it was just going to be right off the road up there, but apparently it was off the road and off the cliffside. So we had to go a little further out the road, drop down where there wasn't just a straight drop. A little bit of a hillside, little gully we went down. Still pretty easy to find. Once we dropped down below the cliff line, we just followed it around. Found the cave arch here. Alright, so from here at Skull Cave Arch, we're gonna cut across the valley over here, over to Panther Cliff Arch. It's another new to me arch, so let's go over here, check it out. Alright, so Panther Cliff Arch here seems to be another cave type arch, kind of like the one we just visited. There's another opening back through there. Let's walk up through here, check it out a little bit. I don't know if we'll make it out that way. That's pretty steep, but pretty cool. Get it to maybe zoom in, focus a little better. If it wouldn't flutter like that. But here's the other opening to it, making this an arch. It's pretty cool. Panther Cliff Arch right here. Yeah, me and Kane are taking a quick break here inside the arch. Pretty cool spot. Another new to me arch here. Another one crossed off the list. But from here, we're going to shoot back across the valley. Try to hit the spot where we dropped down from the road and then walk the road back out to where we parked at the gate. Alright, so me and Kane are loaded back up in the car now, driving back out Forest Service Road 6061. Before we head home, I think we might make the short drive to a favorite overlook down here, Buzzards Rock. It's one I've been going to for quite a few years now. I think we'll hit that overlook before we head home and enjoy the view. So let's make the short drive there, hike out, and check it out. And now here we are at a pull off of Forest Road 663. All right, here's where you want to park for the unofficial trail out to Buzzards Rock. Alright, so here we are at Buzzards Rock. Like I said, this is one of my favorite overlooks down in this area. Kane checking out the view back there. Straight drops off the side of the rock here, so just be mindful of that when you're out here and enjoying the view. Really nice view here though. Looking down on the river, you can kind of see how dry it is, how low the river is. It really needs some rain here. Not just for waterfalls, but to get everything back to normal level. Like I said earlier, it's been pretty dry ever since the beginning of spring. All summer and into the fall here. Still haven't had hardly any decent rain really. Me and Kane are gonna hang out here, enjoy these views. We won't hang out here too long. It's a little windy up here, exposed out here on this rock, but we'll enjoy the views for as long as we can. Alright, so me and Kane are hiking back out from Buzzards Rock now. Finishing up a great day down here in McCreary County. Even though the morning started out with the bus, hiking to Princess Falls and it barely having any flow, still managed to have a great day down here. Crossed off two new to me arches, Skull Cave Arch and Panther Cliff Arch. Both were cave type arches, which was pretty cool. And then we finished up the day here with a beautiful overlook. All in all, it's been a great day down here. Had a great adventure, some good short hikes, but we're tired. Starting to get a little cooler now. Me and Kane ready to head home, but as always, thanks for tagging along with me and the Cane Boy. Till next time.